Hey there, it's Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. I might have had a couple Black Friday sales. This just came in from Yarn Love, so let's take a look. Yarn Love is an independent dyer. I've ordered some stuff from her in the past and I've absolutely loved it. And you know, with all the Black Friday sales that have been coming out, I might have hit up a few of them. All the Christmas shopping is done. So, you know, time to do a little bit of shopping for myself. Now, she had advertised these mystery bags, and I'd never seen her stuff before in a mystery bag. So I thought, ooh, let's give it a try. So I ordered mystery bag times 2. So they were, oh, she says, thank you. Isn't that sweet? I think these were normally like $60 or something. And I got them for $12.99 a piece. That's a good deal. So I have no idea what it is. All I know is that it is a DK worsted weight. And it says it's 1 skein. So maybe I ended up getting 2, but it feels like more. I'm not sure. Anyways, so it comes like this. So it's not really a bag. It's more of a tissue, mystery tissue. I think I originally liked her because I loved the label. And I'm trying to remember, I did something with hers and absolutely loved it. And now I got to remember what it is and where it is. All right, so Yarn Love is from Katie is the dyer, and she is at yarnlove.com. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so let me see what we got here. So care card. Made with love. I hope you love your new yarn. This yarn kit this yarn or kit was handmade with love at Yarn Love Studios just outside of Des Moines, Iowa. I loved her logo. It was very kind of that romantic turn of the century Parisian kind of a look. So what I ended up getting was this stuff here, which is called Princess Buttercup worsted color weight, worsted, and a color weight is crystalline. It is 65% silk and 35% linen. It is 4 ounces, so it's 183 yards-ish. It's beautiful. It is so soft. Wow, 65% silk, 35% linen. So it's got that linen look, but it's also with the silk, it's going to keep it, so it almost looks like a cotton, but it is so soft. Can you see all the little bit nubby in there, a little bit of that roving look to it. But oh my gosh, is it soft. So 183 yards. This was one of the mystery stash. Katie, I love it. And this was the second one. This was the DK sock set. Oh, so it is called Spectral Flowers. It is 85% merino, superwash merino, 15% neon. What's neon? I didn't think that was like an ingredient in a yarn. NEPS. So then it says 80% merino, 20% nylon in the mini skein. Okay, so this little guy here is 80% merino wool and 20% nylon. And this big guy here is 85% superwash merino and 15% neon flex. So what it is these little flecks, whatever that is the NEPS, the neon. This has approximately 420 yards. Isn't it gorgeous? Spectral Flowers, so it's a set. Oh my gosh, I love this. So approximately together, it's 420 yards. What I'm going to do with this guy is I'm thinking like a beautiful cowl, maybe in this purple. This has gorgeous purples, oranges, hot pinks. It's a variegated. So it's tying in a lot of those purples and the oranges and the tangerines. And then actually, if you see down here, it even drops down into some kind of cream colors. So the flex, the neon flex, that's part of the original yarn. And then she dyes it. And then this part here matches up with that guy there. This is coming in as a solid. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my heavens. I am so excited about this. So this was my little Black Friday stash sale. Very exciting. This is from our friends over at Yarn Love. This is Katie. And I always love to, you know, give some love and really support the small businesses, especially during the holidays. So I had no problem picking up some of this. Hopefully we'll get to be seeing some more of Katie in 2025, at least from my stash. I have decided that in 2025, I am setting up a challenge for myself, and you all are going to get to watch me through this. My goal is to not buy any new yarn, but just to make stuff with the yarn that I have. Now, I think I've got enough of a stash to last me at least a year, probably more. But that's my goal, is just so each month I'm going to say, this is the yarn that I use this month, and this is what I made, and I'm going to do it through each month. Now, this is still 2024. So the Brit's like, more yarn's coming in. I'm like, I know, but I'm not going to buy any 2025. Only going to buy it unless, of course, when the Black Fridays come around, just to celebrate and to reward myself for not buying. I might have to buy some more yarn at the end of 2025. We'll have to see. But that's my goal, not to buy any yarn. Now, if someone is gifting it to me, I mean, you don't look a gift yarn horse in the yarn bowl. You just take it and say thank you very much. So that could happen. But I'm going to try very, very hard not to buy any new yarn. So this is going to be, I wonder if, I mean, it's the same weight. I could possibly put something into this, but I love this. Even just like a nice, cushy, squishy hat or beret, this would be just lovely. Maybe tie in another color. I don't know. We'll see, but I might just end up doing this by itself, but these two definitely have to go together. Yay. So this comes to us. This is a real quick little video, comes to us from Yarn Love. If you don't know anything about Yarn Love, I'll include the link below. She's an independent dyer. And like I said, I love to support the independent dyers, especially when they are doing great sales like this. So these two together, these two and this one, so these three came at $25.98. And you know, that is a great deal for an independent an independent dyed yarn, not to mention the fact that it is a natural fiber, being silk and linen on this one and superwash merino wool. So $12 for this and $12 for this. I am not upset about that at all. I'm absolutely loving this. Katie with Yarn Love, thank you very, very much. I'm super excited. I'll have to tag you and I'll have to show you what I end up making with this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you just joined us and you just found us, I am so glad that you have. My name is Kimberly. This is Knit for Brains, where we crochet and we knit. We also have Project Welcome Home, where we're making blankets for our assisted living friends, senior citizens. If you want to know more about that, just go over to the playlist where it says Project Welcome Home. We do a lot of tutorials, more tutorials hopefully in 2025. Do a lot of reviews, book reviews, yarn reviews, and then we just kind of love to sit around and hang as well. So thank you so much for finding us. I hope you continue to join us and tell your friends and send more people over. And make sure you like this video as well, because it'll send us up and then more people will hear about Katie from Yarn Love. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. And as always, I'll see you soon.